Yeah, we have that in the work. What's this for? Small? Look, small head. Wow, my brand. Dyson. Sisi.
Yeah, I think you need that.
The other one. Very handy.
Oh no, it doesn't fall out down the bottom this time. That's why I didn't.
Smooth now. Look at that green. It's like a green grass. You mower in the green grass.
Uh-oh.
Let's in inside.
Look at that, that's from that.
Yeah, let's me come here. Oh my goodness. Oh gosh, dirty. Yeah. And Logan has, what is this? Blower. Nice.
It'll be easier for you.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think you should have no problem vacuuming her room.
Yep. She needs to vacuum. Hey, slippers off. Slippers off. Shana, you practice here. Come on.
Yeah,
Very dusty.
Here we go, we've got a vacuum cleaner everywhere.